So last day we made sure that YOLO-NAS is working, YOLO-NAS ONNX is working with the images, and today we may need to we have to make sure that this particular inference is also working with webcam as well, because our use case comes with a webcam, at least a webcam, so that it can be connected to Raspberry Pi and the Raspberry Pi can send that data into our server. So as of now we are trying it on our webcam inbuilt in my laptop as itself. So that's the whole idea of today's aim. So I'll be trying to get this particular application up and running with webcam. It will be working almost in a live stream and detect objects when it detects a person in the screen. That's what the whole aim of this particular session is for today. Yeah. So for that, I'll be starting with checking for an inference file only using OpenCV for the webcam. So so that we can make sure that this particular script can work for our need. So that's the whole thing that we are trying to do today. So once we search Brave's Leo itself give us a basic script. It just opens the camera session, records it and put it out in the screen. That's the whole need of this particular code. So once this code is up and running, we can be sure that okay, this is a basic code that works with the webcam, and we can ensure that our webcam is working almost fine. That's what we are planning to do today. And as you can see, here we have set the source as 0, and once we run it, you will get the webcam results. So yeah, that part is done. Now our aim is to get this up and running for our application, that is for our YOLO-NAS. So for this, I'm going through the config file, because last time when we see config file have a couple of inputs like the model path, the image path, so the video path. So I'm just going through the code to understand why is that necessary, what all we can do with that. Should it be a pre-recorded video, or it can support webcam itself? So that's what I'm checking out. From the looks of it, yeah, it also supports webcam. So yeah, we are moving on to that part. So in the main part of the code, mostly it is loading the models, it's doing some pre-processing and post-processing, and the source type, we are just checking out which part we had to edit. From the source part equal to video, we can see that it is taking out the video source and writing the out. From this we can infer that we can give the path as 0 itself, which is our webcam. So first we can set the video path as 0, then we can give the model path and give this program a run and check whether it's work or not. So that is what I'm trying to do today, or trying right now. This could hit or miss. Okay, hopefully it is running. Yeah. So our particular model, YOLO-NAS model, is working fine, and this is what we have expected today. And in the next day we will be trying to catch on or build on top of this and make sure that we can, since our webcam is up and running and our YOLO-NAS is working, our detection system is almost complete. So our next step will be to log what is detected in the webcam into a database. So that's what we'll be doing on the next day. Yeah, thank you guys.